We are entering our flight in Lisbon for Lisbon. What are your thoughts?
Finally, I'm delayed, but
We were delayed for an hour. It's like really raining outside, but we're walking down the stairs right now, and we're boarding our flight. So I'll get back to you when we're on our seats. Peace. Let's go to view. And what are your thoughts so far today? She hates it, but she loves it. Nanda, what are your thoughts? I mean, shit, look her outfit. Her shirt, bag, pants, shoes. I mean, how much more match can you get? What are your thoughts? Huh?
I'm tired.
Really? That's all you got? Currently in the city of Elim, near Lisbon. And this is this monument, I don't know what it's called, I'll put it in if I know. It's just crazy how they sculpt it by hand. Over near the water. Right now. There we go.
Meu Deus, que rica personas. Oh, meu Deus Cristo. Que luz.
Right now, we are in, I think a little town next to Sintra. Then Alice and Nanda went to this beach. It's kind of like a cliff. Apparently it's known as the, not Mykonos, but just Greece of Portugal. I'll take a video on closer, so peace. This is the view so far. We see the ocean, and we pan to the landscape of Portugal. Beautiful. And then here grows 1 monkey, 2, 3 monkeys. Ai meu Deus, que... Oh my God, that's cute. I'm at Fatima in Portugal. This is like the holy ground, and we're entering the church right now. We just went to bless ourselves with the water and burned candles for our deceased, and so far it's pretty good. I mean, the weather's pretty good. It's not that hot. It's pretty nice and breezy. Lena, say hi to my video. Say hi. It's pretty nice and breezy. It's not that hot right now. And yeah, we're entering the church right now, where the shepherd's tombs lay.
See